Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I did do a little bit of online shopping at Victoria's Secret for the semi-annual sale. So I kind of wanted to show you guys what I got, just so you guys can kind of get an idea of what kind of deals they have. They did have 20% off extra on the sale on the day, but I didn't get to get that opportunity, but I did get on other cool stuff. So I was gonna show you guys. So this is probably the hand sanitizer. This is not really a sale. They still have it. This is not from the semi-annual sale. They still have, I think, 3 for, I don't want to say it wrong. I'm not sure, but I know it's 3 for something. Like 20 or 30. I don't remember. I'll put it on the description below, but I'll show you guys. So I did buy the other hand sanitizer, the no scent, when it first came out. To be honest, it doesn't smell good. So I hope this one smells good. It's fresh coconut, and it's the size of this bottle is literally like their pink perfume. So it just says antibacterial hand. Let me open it so you guys can kind of get an idea. Oops, can't get it out. Okay, so it kind of looks the same as the perfumes they have, the mists, the sprays, and it's also liquid. So it looks the same packaging, just of course, the label on it, and it says expires 6/22, so it will last a while. So I think I did buy all 3. We'll find out right now. Oh, and then they did have, I don't know if you guys saw that if you buy if you buy over $50, I think, or $40, you can buy a mask for $4.99. So I bought another mask since now we need to wear them to go everywhere. And this is the same thing as this one. So I did buy the 3 for, I don't remember what it was, but those are my hand sanitizers. Okay, so I kind of show you guys right here. So I bought 2 high-waisted shorts, a sports bra, and the coconuts were $6.29. A cooler, the swim short, and the mask was $3.71, and another hand sanitizer. So these prices are different because I did use my birthday rewards. It was $15 off. So these 2, because they were already originally on sale, it didn't go any lower because they were on the sale. But the rest were not on the sale, except this one too, the $4.99 tote. That one was already on sale, but the other ones weren't. So then I was able to use my rewards card for my birthday. So if you guys don't know, and your rewards, your card holder, you get rewards for your birthday. So I did get $15 off. Depending what card holder you are, you get like a rewards card. If you guys don't know what they are, I can make a detailed video on those. So these are the shorts. They were on sale. I believe they're still on sale, so if you guys want to get some. They were $9.99, which I think it's an awesome deal for shorts that cost more. These are high-waisted shorts, so they're really cute. I'm not sure how short they will be, if they're like super short shorts, but they are high-waisted, and it looks like copper lining on them. I don't know if you guys can see it. It says love pink. They're really cute. And see, originally they're $34.95, and I got them for only $9.99. So that's an awesome deal. I got them size 28. It does say they run smaller. It says high-waisted cutoff. They say they run small, so I got a bigger size, but now I'm thinking this might not fit me. They look kind of too big. We'll see. So that's that. If not, I'll return them. And then I bought, let me show you guys. I bought some, oh, these are the, what is this? Oh, these are the swim shorts. So I have originally got their swim shorts before. They do, I believe they kind of run small, but it's just personally, so I got a bigger size. Let's hope they're not too big. The other one, the material was different. This material looks way different, so we'll see how these run. But they're it's the line swim or gym, as you guys can see right here. They do retail for $24.95, and I did get these for $11.25. Since they were, I think, 2 for $30, I believe, so $15 each. And I ended up getting them cheaper since I used my birthday rewards. So it's good to save those birthday rewards. And then here are the other shorts. So I got a dark pair and a lighter pair of shorts. Same, they're high-waisted cutoff. Let me show you guys the difference between them in case you guys are interested in purchasing these. So the same copper. They're really cute. They do have, I don't know if you guys have seen, they have those bodysuits. They're really cute. You can wear one of those with these. I already have some, but they're pretty cheap. So if you guys want to get some cute ones. And here are the shorts. And it's a zipper. And of course, the price $34.95, like I told you guys. And they're really cute. Hopefully they're not too big. I'll probably let you guys know on sizing wise if they're not too big. They do kind of look big to me, but we'll see. Okay, and then this is a tote. It originally, a cooler. It originally retailed for $29. Let me try to open it. For $29. Sorry, I'm trying to. Okay. It usually retails for $29, and it was on sale for $4.99. So I actually thought it was bigger in the picture. It is kind of small, but come on, $4.99, who cares? It retails for $29.95. But it's awesome because $4.99, can't beat that. And it has a zipper. Oh, it's nice inside. You guys can see it's really thick material inside. So this is really cute if you go to the beach, carry some sodas. Not too big, so perfect size. Oh, here, perfect comparison. Look how big it is. If you guys know about Victoria's Secret and their perfumes, look at the sizing in case you guys need to know sizing on it. So you could fit, you know, a couple bottles of perfume. That's the sizing on it. That's my best comparison. And this is the swimsuit top that I got for $11.24. Let me see if I can open it. Sorry, my camera's all over the place. Okay, and then this is the top. So even if you wear your swim clothes, you can even wear these shorts. See, it looks cute. Since this is like gym and swim collection too. See, it's gym and swim. I don't know if you guys have seen it. It's like a sports bra, but you could also swim with it. I have purchased some of their other ones, and they do work really good to swim in them. I do like them very much. This one feels different though. The other one was more all swim material, so this is different. But it's really cute. If not, you can just wear it as a sports bra. And this is attachments in the back. And this one, it's light support. And it's from their gym and swim collection, Pink Sport. I will put links below on all the items so you guys can check them out. So yeah, this is my little shopping online haul. Yeah, so I think I got everything under like $60 or $70. So I mean, that's a really good deal. So always look for deals. So if you guys have any questions on any of these items, I'll be gladly able to help you guys with the questions. And if not, till next time, guys, bye.